Good morning, children. I am Ajay Trivedi, your English teacher, and today I will tell you how to write composition. So, first of all, we should know what is composition. Composition is a set of ideas that we have in our mind, but we have to present them in a proper order so that others can understand it. Children, you are in class 5 and you are a student of KB number 1 Itanagar. You know it? Okay. Now, suppose you are told to write a composition about your school. So, the topic will be my school. Topic will be my You also note this in your notebooks. Suppose I tell you to write 10 lines about your school. In the previous classes, till class 4, you were given to write only 5 lines. But this year you are in the class 5 and you should be able to write more. Your knowledge has also grown and you know a lot more than lower classes. So, you might be asked to write 10 lines. 10 lines about your school. Okay? Now the thing is how to write and what to write. Children, you have been studying in this school for almost 4 years and now you are in class 5. So, you might be having knowledge about your school. Now you have all the ideas in your mind, but I will be dealing only with the basic ideas. And the basic information which you have in your mind, we have to present them in a proper order so the composition becomes presentable. For this, how do we start? You have to write 10 lines. Okay? 5 lines I will do for you. I will tell you how to write. And other 5 lines I will give you for homework. If you have understood these 5 lines, which I will be telling you, then writing the other 5 lines will not be difficult for you. So let us start. Do you know about your school? I think yes. What is the name of your school? You will write here. The name of my school is KB number 1. Number 1 Itanagar. So children, what is the name of your school? The name of your school is KB number 1 Itanagar. You all know? I think you all know this. Now our second point will be, where is your school located? Do you know where is your school located? I think many know, but still what we have to write, I will tell you. Our school is located at Naharlagan. So you will write, my school is situated in Naharlagun. So is this clear? Very good. What else do we know about our school? Our school is a very big school. Why it is a very big school? It is in a big area, and also it has 12 classes and each class having 4 sections. So now you can understand how big is our school. And we have more than 1200 students in our school and about 80 teachers. Now you can imagine how big our school is. So you will write, my school is a big school. So do you like your school? Yes, why not? We have a big school, we have so many children, we have all the modern facilities. So our school is one of the best schools in the city. So you can write, my school is the best school of the city. You can write, my school is the best school in the city. So, in this way, we can continue. We can write 10 points. 4 points I have written, and I am writing about the information I have, and whatever I am writing, this information you also have. So we can continue. My school has classes from 1 to 12. So I have given one more point, that our school has classes from 1 to 12. Now children, I am giving you some work to do, and the work is that I have written 5 lines and you have to write other 5 lines. For this, I am giving you hints, and you can use the hints and write 5 other lines or 5 other points. Okay? Now the hints are like this. You can write total students, I have told you there are more than 1200 students in our school. Total teachers, we have about 80 teachers. You can write there are more than 1200 students in our school. Again you can write the total number of teachers teaching in our school are 80. Okay? Then you can write playground. You know, there are 3-4 playgrounds in our school. One is basketball ground, other is volleyball ground, another is a stadium, then there is primary sports ground. So you can write there are 4 playgrounds in our school. Clear? Then you can write gardens. You have 3 gardens. You can write there are 3 gardens in my school. Again you can write, do you like your school? First thing is, do you like your school? You can write your feelings. My school is the best school. I like my school. You can also write name of your class teacher, subject teachers, principal. Then you can also write that there are science labs in your school. There is primary resource room, games room, library. All these things you can mention in this composition. But please mind, as I have asked you to write only 10 lines, 5 I have already written. You can write these 5 lines and then again you have to add on 5 lines. I hope the way I have told you to write the composition, writing composition will be easy for you. In our next class, we will be dealing with other compositions. So, work for you is, you have to complete this composition. 5 lines I have written, and you have to write 5 more lines, and one homework. Homework is, write 10 lines about your family. So, I am writing here 10, write 10 lines about your family, which means the topic for you will be my family. What will be the topic? My family. That is your homework. 5 of the lines of this composition plus new composition, that is my family. You have to write composition. I am writing here. Lines. For writing these 10 lines, you should know about your family, you should know about your family members, what they do. Suppose you are writing about my family, that means you will write my family contains or consists of 5 members. Then again you have to mention who are the 5 members, your mother, father, brother, sister, like this. Then what other things you know about your family, you have to mention in this composition. I will be taking class just after 15 minutes, and I will be talking to you or teaching you through life science app, and I have already given the number, extension number. All of you join me at 9, and this video also will be sent to you, and after watching the video, if you are having any difficulty, you are most welcome to contact me in my next class tomorrow, and if you have any doubts, I will be clearing those doubts. So, thank you for today. Have a good day, complete the work and be happy. Thank you.